Hello my dear doctor, welcome to SS Academy MRCP UK Part-2 written online course. Very important specialties of this online course and what the important things and very special things and very unique way that you are getting in this online course. I will be with you from starting to the ending point of the full course, my dear. That I will try my best level to give you the best preparations, boost up in your preparations, my dear doctor. Now I would like to talk on the MRCP UK Part-2 written online course and how to follow this course and what are the instructions that you need to follow, my dear. What study materials that I need to study for preparing myself for the MRCP UK Part-2 written. Yes, my dear doctor, in your online lectures that you are watching the lectures, all them together. So this is the best material. It does mean the online course includes the materials that is the only materials that you need to study. Other than these materials, you don't need to touch any other materials, any other books as well, any questions as well, nothing at all. I'm giving this full confidence to you to the peoples. Why? Because a lot of peoples, more than 18 countries, the huge thousands of the peoples already passed their MRCP UK Part 1 and the Part 2 written in their first attempt with the colorful results, even the greatest results in all over the world. So yes, my dear doctor, the best thing, what I'm saying, the materials you need to study, only the lectures. Stick onto the lectures. So study materials we need to read, only the lectures, only the lectures and only the lectures. Nothing more than my dear. These 7 total category and types of the materials that you will watch in this online course of MRCP UK Part-2 written. First component, the lecture notes discussion. Second is video lectures. Third is question-based approach QBA. Fourth is KBA. Fifth is photography. Sixth is system exams. And seventh is practice questions. Lecture notes discussion means the lecture notes discussion, it will be screen recording. We call the SCR recording, means the voices will be there along with the lectures. Second component, that the video lectures, my dear, we call it VL or V lecture. You'll have the lectures onto the board, me as well, I will deliver the lectures onto the board. So this is called the video lectures. Dedicate yourself, concentrate onto the video lectures. Third component immediately after that, there is the question-based approach. You will be taught, my dear, how to approach a question the best way. This is essential, my dear. And this question-based approach for each and every systems means how a candidate should approach towards the question. Means you will be taught in these QBA lectures what will be the components that you need to utilize your knowledge, what you gathered from the lecture notes as well as the video lectures, into the terms, into the questions. What are the steps that you need to follow? You will be taught there, my dear. Immediately after that, we'll have in different systems KBA lectures. We put a name KBA. It does mean the knowledge-based applications. This is also very interactive and very illustrative, very good components and all them together, how to apply all them together in the best way. So that's why we put a name, the KBA lectures. Fifth important component, that is the photography, means the illustrations that is specific to the different systems. And that is also will be a screen recording. We call that the SCR. Sixth important component, that is the systems exams. Yes, my dear doctor, you'll have immediately after ending of this platform, you can directly give your exams and you'll have results after that. And seventh last component of these materials is this practice question bank, where you'll have the impulse of opportunity to practice yourself and whatever the knowledges that you gathered from here, all them you can apply them together as a practice question. That will be much more beneficial. So thank you very much, my dear. I hope that you got my point and you will follow the instructions and you'll do the best. Thank you very much, my dear. Thank you once again.